Okay, for my chimichurri, I use cilantro, red onion, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, no salt, minced garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar. So in my food processor, I pour in a little bit of olive oil. And then I add some of the balsamic vinegar. Then I'm going to put a heaping teaspoon of the minced garlic. Then I'm going to cut up my slice of red onion to add to that. Start adding the cilantro. So I add in the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and continue adding the remainder of the cilantro and blending it together. And if it's coming out a little too dry, depending on how much cilantro you put, just add a little more olive oil and a little more balsamic vinegar to keep it moist.